This is our last few days of sunshine, it looks like in the forecast, so we're really gonna try to get as much out of today as we can. It's beautiful out here. Today is going well so far. Other than my slight headache, it's not as bad as it has been, so that's positive, but it's definitely there, so that's too bad. I've had my coffee this morning, I had a lower carb breakfast, some water, and I'm taking these new capsules, turkey tail. Apparently they're super good for you, so I had my turkey tail capsules this morning. They're a type of mushroom. I think they're Paul Stamets brand. My kiddo woke up this morning at 6:30, so normally I would say he's like a 7:30 waker, but daylight savings has been weird. Well, it's 9:30 and he fell asleep on the walk. It's funny because it's like we almost know you just can't go anywhere before his nap because he will fall asleep in the car. He will fall asleep in the stroller. He can't handle it. It's too cozy. Yep, 10-minute car ride, he's done. So he's asleep on our walk at 9:30 a.m. His nap is not until noon usually. So today's gonna be a weird one. Like Zach said, we just gotta go with the flow. I am a very not go with the flow type of person. I stress out about stuff like this. Like as soon as he fell asleep, I was like, and the day is shot. And I need to get out of that headspace because it's not true. What do you say we went? 2 miles? Mile and a half?
Yeah, probably about 2 miles, maybe a mile and a half.
Go for a walk.
We are going for a walk, that's right. Boy woke up, I'd say he got a 45-minute, and he is much happier. Oh, damn.
Can I show that?
Can we show that?
Oh, man, dude. I never freaking know they had it like I do.
Dude,
right
that's
there.
what's going. I just said to Zach, I wish there was a Spirit Halloween, but for Christmas. Why isn't there? I know there's Christmas stuff at stores, but like, why? And then Zach said, what will we name it? And then he thought, Christmas Spirit. Bro, lawn ornaments, Christmas lights everywhere, Santa costumes.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Should we start this?
I'm sick of not having it.
We need it now.
Yeah.
It's my
It's been my
Christmas
dream
spirit.
for all of 5 minutes.
Daddy, free black motorcycle.
I would love to.
Hot.
It is hot, yeah. That's called a hair dryer, and it gets hot because hot air helps to dry our hair.
Baby, pull it.
Did baby blow it? Oh my goodness. Blowing on the hair dryer? Ben, you getting up there?
Yeah, he's gonna cooperate.
Good boy. He knows his pup cup is coming.
I'm waiting for a peep keep.
You're gonna make me cut that out, aren't you?
Starbucks gives a poop goop. Cut it out. Cut and cut.
Thank you. Sure.
You have a good day.
Thank you so much. You too. We just had some lunch. I had a steak, avocado, and Caesar salad, and it was delicious. On plan. Have a nice day.
Oh, Betty.
Pancakes.
You want more pancakes?
With pancakes.
What?
With pancakes.
What else do you want?
With the waffle.
Pancakes and waffles.
Okay. And waffle.
What else do you want?
With waffle. And peanut butter waffle.
Peanut butter waffle? We're not gonna have pancakes and waffle. Would you like, which one do you want? Pancakes or waffle?
Waffle.
Waffle.
Waffle. I need toaster.
You want a waffle in a toaster? You betcha. In there. And then push the button down all the way. Good job. We're gonna wait. I got this candle from the nursery, and it is the best smelling candle I think I've ever smelled as far as like Christmas is concerned. The nursery had it going inside and it literally smelled like a fresh Christmas tree. This is the brand right here. Times Fraser Fir. I'm gonna have this linked in the description of this video. You don't need to smell this. If you like the smell of Christmas trees, this is a fresh Christmas tree. And it is incredible. Best smelling fresh Christmas tree candle I've ever smelled in my life. Hands down, smells so real. It is so good that I bought 1, 2, 3, and the hand wash. So, it's Christmas up in this house.
Daddy's coming. Daddy's coming. Daddy's coming.
Yeah,
Benny's right here, babe. See you later, Gator. See you later, alligator. See you later, Gator.
Daddy control.
I wish I could, but I don't know where the lighter went. When things feel chaotic, I clean. I rage clean and I chaos clean. Those are the only 2 times. When I'm feeling pretty like happy and good, there's another time that I clean. But we just went out, we had a good day, we had some lunch out and about, and we went to the store and got some 75% off fall decor for next year for our harvest party, which is amazing because some of these items were like 35 bucks and they ended up being like $6 or $7, which is crazy for like these big steel signs and stuff. It's so cool. And now we're home, and as soon as we got home, we took Benny out to go pee, and he just sat there like, what's up? And then as soon as we brought him inside, he peed all over my son's bouncy house. So that's not good. And the house just felt super chaotic after that. Like I was cleaning up pee and then I was like, why is there such a big mess? So I'm rage cleaning. If you have kids and you get pathetically lightheaded when you're blowing off your kids' food, or if you're just like tired of blowing off your kids' food to make it colder, I bought one of these little hand-sized fans from Amazon, and it has been absolutely amazing. Your kid can blow off their own food. It's so nice.
Don't flea me. Ah! Don't flea me.
It hurts.
It does. Don't flea me. Anything but that. Seriously. Oh, it's like such a spider bite. Don't do it.
No, he really gets you.
Look at, he's getting me. Don't you flea me. Don't you flea me. Silly. You're so silly, Benny. Well, you smell good and clean, though. You smell good and clean. You stop chewing me.
Kristi, Daddy.
Oh yeah, they don't shed nearly at all. So they, yeah, get mats really, really easily. But right now, he's got none. He's so good. He's so good. Zach had to give him a little foot and face bath tonight because he went and dug in the mud and he was as messy as they get.
Look it.
Yeah, you can look at it, but don't touch it, please.
Looky, Benny.
You looking at Benny? Oh my. Hi, mister. Hi, Mr. Butcher. Oh, itchy guy, itchy guy. Let's brush your feet.
Daddy, Kristi.
It's It's funny because I'm filming today and I don't have anything to talk about. Like, I feel this video is just very silent so far. I don't have a lot to say. I ended up having to take a cluster headache pill today, which worked great. No side effects. I feel great. Sometimes I get really weird side effects. It makes me really tired. Other times I feel nothing at all.
Wow, wow, wow.
What is that? Ambulance?
That's a fire truck.
Is that a fire truck? Oh.
That's a train.
Is that a train? Good train.
Wow, wow. That's an ambulance.
Is it ambulance?
Wow, wow, wow. That's an ambulance.
Is it an ambulance or is it the sheriff?
Wow, wow, wow. Does this 3B?
Beep, beep, beep.
Yes, sir. Our arms are really floppy bear.
Daddy, cookie, daddy back. Daddy.
All right, you guys. Well, that's it for today's video. That's as best as you're gonna get. You know, some days are gonna be good and some days are gonna be like today. It was a good day nonetheless. I feel like we got a long walk in. Let's see, challenge-wise, what I did today. Drank my water. Did a very long walk. I said 20 minutes of exercise every day. We probably were out there for like an hour and 40 minutes maybe. Uploaded to YouTube today. So I uploaded every day, drank my water, I did my exercise. What were the other things I wanted to do? Do you remember, Zach? What my challenge things were that I wanted to do?
Eat your diet.
Oh, eat my diet. That's what it is, obviously. That just feels like a nothing thing. Totally did that too. Totally stuck to my plan and feel good. Other than my cluster headache that I had today, which honestly has nothing to do with anything. Like, it just, those happen randomly and whenever. So today was a good day overall and I feel good about it. I will see you guys tomorrow.